Thank you so much, Chairman, sir. Sir, I would like to raise a very important issue pertaining to my constituency, Lakshadweep. Sir, people of Lakshadweep are facing untold hardship and suffocation because of unscientific and unpopular administrative reforms, and which affects mostly the students' education sector and the agriculture sector, sir. Sir, I would like to quote the Education Department. See, the students are facing the shortage of teachers. After the classes got started 5 months.
But you changed the subject?
Sir, because it's all Lakshadweep issue, I've said it. With your permission, sir.
You should inform that.
Sir, I have...
please.
Yeah,
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Because there are lot many issues.
Okay,
I was giving day by day one more one.
बस आपको पहले से सूचित
हाँ
करना
sir, हाँ
चाहिए.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. So the issue here is that is the future of our students, sir. Sir, the Department of Education have conducted the streamlining of education, and after streamlining of education, they have allotted 32 periods for the teachers, even to the principals. Sir, you know that the principals normally don't take classes because they manage the schools. See, after allotting 32 periods, and even after that, they identify that there is a need of 100 regular teachers to teach the students. Now, what is the fate of the going students like 9th, 10th? I'm getting messages in my WhatsApp. They don't have classes for physics, for chemistry, for most of the important classes. They don't have teachers now. Now, the issue, when the department is putting up the file for engaging teachers on contract basis, the present administrator who is in charge is not allowing any engagement because he wanted to be Lakshadweep zero contract. Now, the issue, when the students even go on for strike, disciplinary actions are taken against them for their legitimate date. Article 19 gives given permission for them to protest. Number one, sir. Second thing, sir. In Lakshadweep, the main agriculture is coconut trees, sir. 1.5 lakh coconut trees are there in one island. So, calculating uninhabited island also, 15 lakh coconut trees are there. Considering all those aspects, the previous government, the then government have sanctioned many technical posts to the agriculture department. This administrator is closing the agricultural department and re-engaging, reallocating the technical staff to the other departments. Now the point is, I'm not talking about, sir, I'm not talking about the changing of the technical staff. My point here is that where the farmers should go when an issue happens to the coconut tree, any pesticide, any issues happening to the coconut tree, which is their income only, sir. So if they are not in a position to approach any technical hand in the island, and my question is there, whether the Lakshadweep administrator who taken any sort of advice from the ICAR, from the CPCRI, from the coconut development, anybody, because they are the people to say that, to closing of, yes, I'm submitting, sir. Sir, see, this is a large issue, grave issue, because 70% of the population of Lakshadweep depends on the coconut cultivation, sir. If the department is closed, I'm not talking about, sir, one more thing, sir. I have today a motion for my privilege also. Let me just submit that. I will conclude this, sir.
No.
Sir, I would like to present before you my complaint against the district collector of Lakshadweep, who has dragged my name purposefully.
That should not be clubbed in this. No.
Huh?
Please give it separately.
I have given separately.
Yes.
I have given notice today, sir, also. I have given notice today, sir. I need just 1 minute, sir. Sir, please.
Honorable Speaker will take the action on that. No, please.